The laboratory is the Micro and Nanotechnology Laboratory. If I had to describe what MNTL does to a sixth grader, I'd ask you to think about everything that you love about your smartphone, Netflix, and the internet. All the equipment that's used to make semiconductor electronics, transistors, light-emitting diodes, semiconductor lasers, things that send light signals up and down optical fibers to enable the internet. All the equipment that's used in data centers that are run by Google and Amazon and Apple comes from science that was developed at this laboratory. You're going back to the start of Micro and Nanotechnology Laboratory. Goes back to when John Bardeen came to the University of Illinois as a professor from Bell Laboratory shortly after inventing the transistor. So a transistor is one technology that developed more fully at University of Illinois and at this laboratory. Light-emitting diode is a technology developed by Nick Holonyak, where visible light-emitting diodes came from University of Illinois. And then finally, semiconductor lasers using single wavelengths of light to carry signals down optical fibers also came from this lab. So here at MNTL, we do everything from things that are at the atomic scale to the biomolecule scale, all the way to complete systems. There's people here working on diagnostics technologies that are used for measuring the presence of proteins or nucleic acids in blood or serum and other bodily fluids for purpose of diagnosing human health. There's also technologies being developed here that are new tools for doing drug discovery. So for example, equipment, devices that can measure the effects of drugs on cancer cells, the effects of antibiotics on bacteria and biofilms, and even tools that are used for just life science research for enabling biologists to study viruses, bacteria, cells, and tissues in new ways.